Hi, my name is Nathaniel McGee, and I'm a high school agriculture education teacher at Central Heights High School, just about 10 miles south of Ottawa. I'm in eastern Kansas, and I've been married for 6 years. My wife Amanda is a fifth grade teacher at Osawatomie, and I have a daughter named Elliot who's 8 weeks old. And I also drive a full-time bus route before and after school every day. And in my spare time, I like to spend time with family as well as I like to hunt. Sometimes I like to fish, and I enjoy training and working with my bird dog Rookie. Why I'm seeking this degree, in terms of in the short term, I'm seeking this degree to move over on the salary schedule as a teacher. I got to the 6th year of my career and was still in the far left column and decided I need to do something about that. And so I hope to graduate this May and enjoy being over in the master's degree columns. In the long term, I hope to be able to keep my options open, maybe make the jump to administration in the future. How my background supports this degree selection. I have a lot of family members that are in education, everything from elementary all the way to high school, and even college. One college professor in my family. And so I've got a lot of people who I've been surrounded by growing up that are in education, but not many of them, or actually none of them, in administration. I've got, I guess, another place that supports me is that I've worked for three really great administrators. I've seen some of their strengths and weaknesses, as well as seeing a principal that came into kind of a rough situation and did a great job of turning the school around. So they've been a good example for me as a future administrator. My strengths and weaknesses in terms of school finance, um, being an agriculture education major at Kansas State, I had to take some business classes, in particular ag business and ag marketing. And so I've got some background in that. I've taught agribusiness a couple times as well. And so I got some background in terms of finance. Also, um, I'm intrigued by that. I'm interested in finance. I kind of like that sort of thing. So just being interested in that is probably a strength as well. When it comes to weaknesses, I would say it's my ignorance in terms of school finance. I don't know how a school works financially, what can and can't be done, or how a budget is balanced or made in a school setting. So I just never been given the opportunity in my teaching career to learn any of that. So I look forward to learning a lot this semester from through this quarter. Look forward to learning a lot through this quarter from each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.